Hello everyone, now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
Slowly. Grass eats a cow. Do you understand these words? No, they do not make any sense. Read the same words now. A cow eats grass. The words make complete sense. They form what is called a sentence. Read, learn, and say. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. You have to remember 3 things when you write a sentence. The words must be placed in their proper order to make complete sense. The sentence must begin with a capital letter. A full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. Look at some more examples of a sentence. A fruit, an apple is. This is not correct. The correct order is an apple is a fruit. Milk gives us the cow. The cow gives us milk. Of wood made is a chair. A chair is made of wood. 8 is she years old. She is 8 years old. Wings fly birds with their. Birds fly with their wings.
Drag and drop the right words to fill in the blanks. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. A sentence must always begin with a capital letter. A full stop must be put at the end of the sentence. To write a sentence, you must remember 3 things. A fruit, mango, is not a sentence because the words in it are jumbled. Click true or false for the given statements. A sentence is a group of words. False. The words in a sentence are always jumbled.
Okay, next.
This one false.
Reset.
A sentence is a group of words. False. The words in a sentence are always jumbled. The words in a sentence must make complete sense. A sentence must begin with a small letter. False. A sentence must always end with a full stop.
The 2 parts of a sentence. Look at the pictures, then read the sentences given. The girl is drinking tea. A clock tells the time. A cow eats grass. Bahadur is eating an ice cream. In each of these sentences, there is a person or thing spoken about. In sentence 1, the girl is spoken about. In sentence 2, a clock is spoken about. In sentence 3, the cow is spoken about. In sentence 4, Bahadur is spoken about. Have you noticed that in each of the sentences, something is said about the person or thing? In sentence 1, is drinking tea tells us something about the girl. In sentence 2, tells the time tells us something about a clock. In sentence 3, eats grass tells us something about a cow. And in sentence 4, is eating ice cream tells us something about Bahadur. So what have you learnt? All sentences can be divided into two parts: the person or thing spoken about and what is said about the person or thing.
A sentence has two parts. In the first part, a person or thing is said about. The second part of a sentence contains what is spoken about the person or thing. Birds fly. Who is spoken about? Birds. Babies cry. What is said about the babies? Cry. Match the words in a column A with words in column B. The moon shines at night. The cock crows. New Delhi is the capital of India. Monday comes after Sunday. A bunch of grapes.
Nouns.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.
Control 10. Control F10.